OG, MG, VO, V. Life had never been pretty, couldn't even put it in a frame. By any means had to get it, but always kept my hands clean. Making moves across the nation, every dollar made a dream. Building profit from creation, any thought could be a thing. How could they take it if they never gave it? If I'm enslaved, then it's me that's gonna make it. I feel like I'm meant for better, and you should too, because we all deserve a special. Don't let no one tell you I'm riddled with bullets of failure, but none of my vitals are filled. My resolve is deeper than Gones when Peter took kite from his arms. I'm traveling at God's speed until dawn, just to obtain what I want. It pays me to break all these personal bonds, but niggas just not what we on. I'm bigger than playing the role of a pawn. My image is not a facade. My demons are friends with the boss. He treats me like one of the boys. Would you cross the sticks without giving it a second thought? A risk taker and a heartbreaker. I'm just trying to make a way. Doomsday clock still ticking. I'm just out making plays. Good kid with a smart mouth, built from trauma and the pain. Nigga, you a surfboard in a shark's pool. I'ma always be the wave. Been a risk taker and a heartbreaker. I'm just trying to make a way. Doomsday clock still ticking. I'm just out making plays. Good kid with a smart mouth, built from trauma and the pain. Nigga, you a surfboard in a shark's pool. I'ma always be the wave. I got a couple of duffels around for a couple of niggas that think they could get with me. Pull up and empty the 50. Clean up your block and the lickety splickety. VOB keeping them with me, filling them up, making this little nigga filthy. Who gon' pull up and come get me? I'm known from Boston to Compton. You know the bomb where you at. I'm loading up carbines and cop guns. You took the ball where you at, and you a rat. I never figured it until we figured it, nigga, figure that. And you was the nigga I'm fucking these bitches with, jigging the back of the trap with packs and straps. Oh nigga, I got the juice, bitch, best obey your thirst. While I'm riding on 23s, my enemies is in hearses, yeah. And any weapon formed against me, better bust and hit me up first. These bullets is cursed, so I hope your mama knows. A risk taker and a heartbreaker. I'm just trying to make a way. Doomsday clock still ticking. I'm just out making plays. Good kid with a smart mouth, built from trauma and the pain. Nigga, you a surfboard in a shark's pool. I'ma always be the wave. Been a risk taker and a heartbreaker. I'm just trying to make a way. Doomsday clock still ticking. I'm just out making plays.
Extreme greed. We gotta be a little bit careful here. We do got a lot of extreme greed, man. But I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good today. I'm feeling good today. How y'all feeling, man? It's Freaky Friday, Fast Money, Independent Day, Rest of the Game, Payday in America. Payday in America. You got them hours before we go live on our first CEX for J5. Anonymous, what's the word? Let's get it. Let's get it.
I gotta take this now. Yeah, your people running on my patience out. So close, I can taste it now. Came a long way from that.
Yeah, my brother Vandre, man, he's a genius with the music. Sometimes I play even my music. So yeah, we've been doing music for a while. That's like my second calling, right? You know, I retired now. I'm Bird, man. I'm fully supporting my brother at this point. I'm Bird, man. Alright, so let's cut the music, baby.
I'm just trying to make a way. Doomsday clock still ticking.
Are back with another show. I can't believe we are back at episode. What is this? Episode 79. Episode. I don't know where we at. I don't know. Like my boy Skip Bailey said, we somewhere. You feel me? But again, family, it's a great time to be in crypto. I looked at one of the plays. I was like, oh, how I make this much? How I make this much from that play, baby? Salute to the games. Give yourself a pat on the back, man, if you're doing good in today's cryptocurrency. We got a popping show today, man. Salute to everybody who's in the chat. Let me talk to everybody inside the chat real quick. AK, appreciate you, man. No, bro, I need to go back in the gym, man. I need to get back in the gym, bro. I've been slacking. I need to get back in the gym. Let's talk to the chat, and then we'll get into some of the move, chat. What's the move, chat? We got 22 people in here. We need 50 people up here right now before I switch the screen, man. Nipsey the Bulldog, Freaky Millie. Yeah, I got to watch what I post on Twitter because I be lurking. God, look, ladies, if any ladies in here, Millie be lurking, lurking for the crypto ladies. So, you know what I'm saying? Please don't, please, with all due respect, you feel me? With all due respect. What do we got here? Trump about to put the nation work and crypto is going to pump. Yeah, man, Trump looks like crypto's going to pump. Let's go, Samson. What's good, not influencer? Slacking but stacking. Memes are moving. Yes, they are. Actually, we can get into our first screen of the day, guys. You can see here we got our first cryptocurrency meme coin that was able to hit $1, which is dog with hat. Now, I don't know what the hell dog with hat is. I believe they do got a partnership with GotBit. GotBit, a friend of mine. You know, I really love what that company is, man. So salute to the GotBit company. But again, we got our first meme coin that's sitting here at $1, man. It wasn't Doge. It wasn't Sheeb. It wasn't Grok. It was dog with hat. Up 298% on the month. I have no clue what this meme coin is. I didn't even know it actually. I knew it existed because I talked to like I said, GotBit is a friend of ours, and we talk to them and we appreciate what them doing. Salute to the Buddha team. Love what Buddha is doing. Salute to the Earn team. Love what Earn is doing. You know, salute to everybody that shows up to those Twitter spaces, man, because they're doing wonderful things with the community, right? They're allowing, you know what I'm saying, cryptocurrencies that don't have the VC money, that don't have the VC backing, that don't have this and that, an opportunity at awareness through their platform. So I really do appreciate what Buddha, my boy Breeze, and all those guys are doing. And when these guys do shill spaces, like, this is just all genuine stuff, man. And that's why, you know, I'm always there, man. I really love what the Buddhist team doing. Salute to my boy Maker. You know what I'm saying? I see it. They integrated donations into the Jesus token ecosystem and platform. Salute to the Jesus token. Man, it's a lot of stuff going on in crypto, but you can see here, guys, I told you guys that quant was getting, look, man, if you're not paying attention to the strategies, don't hit me up when you miss the boat. I gave you guys two golden strategies, right? The first strategy I gave you about a month ago, 2 months ago, we literally across the space, people were utilizing this strategy in the stock market. It's called the golden cross strategy, right? Literally trading golden crosses on the daily. Literally every altcoin was coming up against a golden cross. And for an entire week, we traded golden crosses and was able to make significant gains. Now we're simply trading long-term charts, which is the Gossen channel, right? We're basically front running all blue chip tokens that are going above the Gossen channel. So let me give you guys an idea what I'm talking about. Let's get into the show. All right, so we do got a show for you guys today. The light is blinding me a little bit. Hold on here. Let's see if I can pull up QNT. Let's see if we can pull it up here. Actually, let's just go to the BTC charts. Now, this could be applied to almost any cryptocurrency, right? That's you know, that you're paying attention to in a bullish market, right? BTC is sitting at 62K, literally, and we're gonna get into some BTC news, but I want to kind of explain what we've been looking at as far as trading these the Gossen channel, right? It's simple momentum trader, okay? I'm not no expert or nothing like that. I'm just a momentum trader, okay? You can see here, if we actually put on, I don't know why it's not on, right? Usually it's on, but we can, this is a free indicator, right? You can just type in Gossen. You go to the Gossen channel DW right here by Donovan Wall. Love that one. So other ones out there, that's the one that I use, right? Simply, right, looking at the weekly charts, and just trading the Gossen channels in a bullish environment, right? Now, you can utilize this type of indicator or strategy in a bear market, but we are seeing that some of the top blue chip projects are turning FU bullish. Now, I believe a pullback is near, right? Because when I look at some of these charts, they're oversold on the weekly and monthly, and I'm talking about BTC specifically, but the altcoins here still have room to grow. This is an example of quant. It just turned bullish as far as the stock RSI momentum indicator. Taking a look at the Gossen channel on the weekly, you can see it just broke the median, right? The median line, and is looking to break the top here. Now, this is an example of what happens when a project turns extremely bullish on the Gossen channel, right? I always use Solana, but I guess I can use Dogecoin. I'll use Dogecoin because Dogecoin was pumping. You can see here, look at that move from Dogecoin. And this is why I believe Elon is next, and we'll get into some Elon news as well. We did have a winner as far as one of our altcoin bags. If you are part of the private chat, the Discord, or the Patreon, then you probably made a lot of gains with this last move. But I called this Dogecoin move, right? I told you guys exactly what's going to happen for Dogecoin. This, and again, not an expert, but this is a very simple fucking strategy that if you use your brain, momentum indicator, do your research, learn the slogans, the lingo, just learn basic TNA. Don't listen to a guy that come up here and say TNA doesn't fucking work. If matter of fact, if an influencer says that, I just close the channel, unsubscribe, and just move on to another channel, because at that point you're missing out on just a beautiful experience inside cryptocurrency. My experience changed when I simply learned indicators, right? Momentum indicators. You don't got to go down to, of course, I'm learning so much more about charts, and I'll bring up a chart that we actually looked at. Actually, I can't bring it up because it's specifically for the Patreon. You have to join the Patreon for that. But again, we're simply trading the Gossin channel in a bullish environment. I have to make that clear. The environment is bullish. The sentiment is bullish. The environment right now is greed, if you look at the fear and greed chart. So again, you can see here Doge just blasted out of the Gossin channel. In about 30 days, this will turn green. And what we are doing is we are front running the Gossin channel on the weekly, right? So when YouTuber comes up here and say, don't use TNA because TNA doesn't work. Look, I'm a meme coin guy, and I'm telling you TNA works. TNA fucking works. It's no one that convinced me in the space. I don't care what they say and says TNA does not work, right? Okay. Cool, we can go off hype. I'm a hype type of guy. I pump it up. I love hype, but I also love TNA. TNA changed my experience. You can see once the Gossin channel turned green, it usually takes about 40 to 60 days on the weekly chart. These are weekly charts here. Guys, explosive move. FU bullish. Solana is bullish again. The stock RSI comes down, but the price does not come down in bullish environments. And this is what you want to see. You want to see you lose momentum on the stock RSI, the price barely moves. Use the support here that you're seeing from the trend line. Bounce off the trend line. We had a clear path for Solana. This is a path, right? You can pretty much utilize path here. Let me see if I can actually find it. I'm still navigating across some of the things that I use, but this line here is a path, right? See if I can find it. Sometimes I still get a little lost where a lot of this shit is, so you gotta bear with me, right? Okay, path right there. Path. You can see path. Clear as day. Solana here. Riding the trend line like a champ. So always a great idea in a bullish environment to kind of like front run the Gossin channel. So salute to the people that used my strategy here. And I wouldn't say it's my strategy, but I like to call it my strategy because, again, I don't think nobody actually explained how to utilize the strategy. Hence the reason we have been utilizing this strategy for blue chip tokens. So you can see here with Elon is finally coming up across that point where it's about to cross the median here. And we want to see is Elon break above the Gossin channel. I think it's going to happen real quick. It happened with Dogecoin. Dogecoin was actually at the middle, and then the momentum just blasted off. I think in the next week or so, you can see that we do have momentum here from the stock RSI. In the next week or so, I would assume that Elon's going to blast through this Gossin channel, and in about 30 to 60 days it'll turn green. I think it has some of the best potential outside of AI. I'm a big fan of Inu, and we'll pull that up here next to show you guys what we've been doing with Inu. It's an omni chain that's listed on registered on 17 different chains, but it also has liquidity pools on all 17 chains, which makes it all the way omni, right? So what I've done, I told my boy Crypto Loser, hey, I recently added to the bag. Okay, I just recently bought a shitload of Elon, full transparency. So I'm in it to win it. I got in right below the Gossin channel here as I was noticing the momentum changing from Dogecoin. I like to use Dogecoin as a foreshadow to Elon because we have a lot of information to go off for Dogecoin. It's been around for a while. I think Doge Chain is also a play that you can kind of like put into that same boat. It even has a smaller market cap, but I believe we will be seeing Elon take a jump and head above that Gossen channel to further confirm my thesis here. We can swing over here to Sheep. And clockwork, baby. Clockwork, baby. Somebody came on here and was telling AOKG to sell his sheep. I messaged AOKG personally and said, bro, this is not the time to fucking sell your Shiba Inu. And I'm not even a sheep fan. Y'all know I ain't no sheep fan, okay? I'm not a big cap, high cap type of dude. But if you tell me you got $5,000 in sheep, in what I'm looking at, why would you? Let the word to the wise be efficient. Another dog coin that we actually bought in extremely low. If we head over here to Dex Tools, my apologies, guys. I got so many people hitting me up. Like, man, just being a developer, it's like I don't get any sleep. I'm really tired, guys. I'm really tired. That's the reason that we missed. I missed configuring J5 for the Grove X listing because we was supposed to start trading today, but the time schedules is like in Australia when they up, I'm fucking sleep. You know what I'm saying? So they hit me up like, Billy, we need this, we need that, we need that. Mega J is hitting me up like trying to call me. I'm knocked out. You know what I mean? And I wake up, they like, we got to push the listing back one day because we didn't get the information in time. Everything is submitted now, so we should go live trading around 3 a.m. tonight, which will be tomorrow, right? But AI, I'm excited, guys. I'm excited about Johnny 5. You can see here, I've been talking about AI for at least a month. Guys, look at this. Just look at this. Look, I sold my Tau Inu too early. I sold my Zappy too early. I'm not making the same mistake with any Inu. I got into any Inu down here, $12 million market cap. Every week there's new news about a new chain that they've added. I'll give you guys a little backstory of why I'm bullish. You can see here a very beautiful website here, and these guys they got a lot of stuff going on. Of course, do your research. This is the dog coin that I'm most bullish on outside of Dogelon Mars. So if I had to pick dog coins, any Inu, Dogelon Mars, those are the two dog coins that I currently hold. Full transparency, and we're riding this baby up to we're gonna ride this baby up to a well into $100 million market cap. I think the things that they're doing will put them in that realm. I mean, you don't see a dog coin that's listed on like 17 different chains. So they just added BRC20, and they also added the new layer 2. I forgot the name of the new layer 2. I think it's on a page. So I don't think it's still early. $12 million market cap, guys. Okay, so now they're available now on Blast. So yeah, they got 17 different chains, and if you go across each chart, they're all pumping. I'm a big fan of what AI is doing. I think that this is going to be a top mover for dog coins, and I'll put my bets on Elon and AI. So I just wanted to give you a little backstory. I've been invested into this for a while. They always ask me, Millie, you still holding your AI? Fuck yeah, I'm still holding my AI. I know what Accelerate Technology is because we're also, if you're part of the J5 community, we're also an interchain token. If you don't know, J5 is registered on 14 different chains. Right now, we're interchain. So if I wanted to swap supply and say send you some J5 tokens on ARB, I could send you J5 tokens on ARB. Of course, you wouldn't be able to sell it or anything because we don't have any liquidity pools set up yet. But once we add this liquidity pools to each one of these addresses, then we will become omni-chain. So like sleeping on J5 under 500 holders, regardless if it's listed on top exchanges or not, is a big risk in my opinion, because I know what I'm building. I'm up all night building this stuff. The next chain that we are working on to get registered is ETHEREUM, and I know exactly what I'm building. So I trust myself, my community, they trust what we're working on. We're adding additions to our street team, and we're building. So again, we're about to get listed on Grove X exchange tonight, 3 a.m. So you got enough time to get that bag packed. You know what I'm saying? Big Brains front run exchange listings. It's all over Twitter. Not sure what you guys are doing or why, but sleep at your own discretion. Okay, that's my shield for the day. For J5 here, and let's get into some news, guys. So yeah. Want to let you know. Okay, so back to Elon, right? What we were doing, we were looking at Sheeb, right? Told you guys Sheeb was headed to an explosive move. What happened when it crossed the Gaussian channel here? Explosive move. This is just a foreshadow of what's to come. Once this turns green, we'll get another explosive move. I think the easiest trades in crypto right now is golden crosses and Gaussian channel on the weekly, or the money line with Morales. That's also a great indicator. Whenever the money line is green on Morales, usually fucking bullish. Okay, so let's get that understood. What I'm looking at right now, and I'll go across some of the tokens that I'm holding, some of the things. I'm not gonna get too Degen again. If you want the Degen Millie, we moved the Degen Millie to the Patreon and to the Discord, but you still get a lot of value, right? When I have time. I've been extremely busy. So guys, if you are part of the Patreon, if you are part of the Discord, I truly appreciate everybody that's been working and having patience. But we have some big brains in the Discord that's been literally fucking holding it down, especially in the Patreon chat. Salute to who's in the Patreon chat that I can actually give a salute to. I forgot his name. But guy been coming from with some alpha. I would have thought I was still in the Patreon chat the way that he been dropping alpha. So we've been doing things with the TG and getting that channel and building out our utility here for J5, because we have an entire platform coming that'll allow you to utilize AI as an altcoin gem hunter. So like, yeah, I know what I'm building. Don't expect you to understand, but I'm excited, right? All right, so Elon. Back to Elon. I'm front running Elon. Breaking the Gaussian channel. Of course, we can get rejected. Anything can happen. We can get a black swan. We can go into some type of war. All the lights can go out in the entire world, and Y2J or Y2K can happen, right? The sky could part, the earth could part, and something bad could happen, and hey, we could get rejected. So understanding crypto, only invest what you're afraid to lose, okay? So if I lose everything in my Elon investment, doesn't hurt me at all right? One of the technical standpoints of why I decided to make sure I have my bag full headed into this bull cycle with Elon is because they're doing the right thing. I can actually switch over here to the Discord. This is a picture. Credit my boy Crypto Loser here. But this is the Rufus Chain testnet, guys. And guess what the gas fee is? Elon. So no disrespect to Shiba Inu, but the Elon devs did it the correct way. They're utilizing Elon as the gas fee, and every time anybody does anything on Rufus Chain, Elon will be burnt, right? So to me, I don't even think it's registered to people, because you look at what Elon's been doing throughout the bear market, building. I have to give credit where credit's due. Now, maybe I was right about the Methuselah Foundation, but I was wrong about the developers that's developing now. These guys are working. They've implemented themselves into the Solana ecosystem, which in my opinion is huge. Elon is also an omni-chain token, okay? It's over 6 or 7 different liquidity pools on 6 or 7 different ecosystems, all right? And now when their layer 2 comes, which you can build, you most likely will be able to mint coins. And honestly, I want to do something special for J5, right? Because we want to create an entire ecosystem. So right now, guys, what I'm looking at with these J5 variants is, as I grow as a developer, maybe we create other tokens within the ecosystem for J5. Maybe that's something we do, collaborate with the Rufus chain, you know what I mean? Because if you know me, then you know that if I'm building something, I tend to collaborate with the projects that I actually like. Look with the integration of PAL AI, right? Swiftcoin. I've been talking about Swiftcoin for over 2 years, and that was one of our first partnerships. So the things that I like, and I like Axelar, so we collab with Axelar to use their interchange service. So if I like something and I like what they're building, I tend to use J5 as a bridge to collab, integrate, and have partnerships with some of these projects. So keep that in mind. I believe Elon did it the right way by allowing the Elon token to be the token that gets burned every time a transaction happens for gas fees. And for that reason, it hasn't really crossed into the Gaussian channel. It's other projects just like it in the top 100 that you can actually find if you utilize this strategy and kind of like pack your bags. We did drop a chain in the Patreon that I believe is going to make a move like Telos, okay? But again, anything has happened. Salute to the Elon devs. Love to see them building. We do have some news here. So Bitcoin hit an all-time high in over 30 different countries, which is huge, right? Because at the end of the day, when you look back And you know what we went through in the last 2 years to see that Bitcoin now is about 7-8K away from an all-time high without retail truly being in crypto. It's really a step in the right direction, but it also isn't a step into the unknown. Because if we do set an all-time high before the halving cycle, then all of the cycle shit goes, it just doesn't even fucking exist no more. There is no cycle. There is nothing there's literally is nothing if we break an all-time high before the halving. Let me know in the chat if you think we will break an all-time high before the halving. All right, so we're talking major places like China, India, Japan, even countries down under like Australia and Chile saw BTC touch all-time highs in local currencies. So what's fueling Bitcoin worldwide? Well, the big factor is inflation is still going haywire across the globe right now. When your cash is losing value by the day, something like BTC holds its purchasing power way better and very, very comparable to gold, right? Back in the day when inflation ran high, what did people buy? They buy gold. Well, right now, gold is just such a high market cap that it barely fucking moves. So now the same big brains that figured out that strategy, now they're looking at digital gold. Because guess what? You don't have to pick up your gold, put it in an armored truck and move it if you got a lot of gold. You got millions of dollars worth of gold. Right now, you can take your little wallet, stick it in that little pocket on the side of your jeans, hop on a plane, and go literally anywhere, and you don't even know that millions of dollars is sitting in your pocket. So Bitcoin being a savings account that's on steroids, right? Store value is a way better way to hold your purchasing power. I shit with myself about not taking my savings account and pouring it into Bitcoin when Bitcoin was 15K, right? Now, as my portfolio is grown, I've talked to many people in the Discord about, having that battle with myself about saying, hey, maybe now, of course, I don't want to buy the top, but, if we're looking at BTC going to $1 million at some point in the next 10 to 20 years, why utilize a savings account where BTC is like a savings account on steroids? And I mean, if you can find a good altcoin to do that too, hey, be my guest, right? But will Bitcoin's party be over soon? One big brain says BTC is headed for a 15% correction. If we swing over here to BTC, we can actually see what a 15% correction will actually do. All right, so let's swing over here and see what a 15. I do have like a little headache, right, guys? I got a headache, man, like seriously. So right now we're sitting here. Let's see. All right, well, we'll have to, all right, let's reload this because it's kind of like not working. I also want to point out that the monthly chart did close out green yesterday. So that was a very, very positive sign that we could possibly hit an all-time high, right? All right, so what I want to focus on here is what it would look like if we got a 15% drop from here. So we'll pull out some measuring tools. I clicked the wrong one here. We'll go to price range, right? And we're sitting at about what, 62,000 even. Good. All right, 15% drop. Let's see, that would put us right at oh, I had it right there. All right, that would put us right around 50,000, right around 52,000. So I don't think the correction will last that long because we've seen extreme strength from these spot ETFs. And I also don't think the pump is over with because we're not yet oversold here on the weekly. So it is a good chance that the cycle gets thrown out the window. And I'd love to see Crypto University's response if the cycle gets thrown out the window, because we are literally about $7,000 away from an all-time high. And I mean, can we say it's thrown out the window now because in 30 different countries, BTC did hit an all-time high before the halving? Who knows? Let me know in the chat. Also, we want to prepare here for altcoin season. Again, you can utilize the same strategy with a total 3 or even the others chart. I think both have changed the green here on the Gossen channel. So let's actually bring it up here. We'll bring some indicators Gaussian channel. Bow wow. All right, and you can see it's green. It's literally green. It broke above, held above, and now it's green. And this is why a lot of people think altcoins can still go up. Unlike BTC, BTC is right at resistance here of this arm from the inverted head and shoulders. So I can point that out to you guys right here. BTC is sitting around here, right? They're sitting around right here at that resistance for the inverted head and shoulders that you're seeing at the bottom of the chart here. So we personally still got a ways to go, right? We still got a ways to go before we complete our pattern and hit that resistance for altcoins. So again, when you look at this, you know, this green, this box here, right? This Gaussian channel turning green could spell a really parabolic move when you look at the ascending pattern that we're hearing when you zoom out, right? So when in doubt, zoom out. We have a ascending pattern, which tells us that the altcoin season could be huge, guys, huge. All right, so that's what we're seeing from altcoin season. Not technically in altcoin season, but we are sitting at a 61. We love to check the crypto sentiment chart here, and sitting at about 75. And I'm pretty sure if we go to coin market cap and we check the fear and greed indicator, we are in extreme greed. So that's why you see me post that on Twitter. Please be very careful. I even posted in my Discord. I made one move today, and it's only the reason that I made that move because the project had an extremely low market cap, and I liked the partnership that they had at that market cap and low amount of holders. I am a DJ, but I'm not a buyer in cryptocurrency right now. Elon was probably my last major kind of like buy, and right now I'm not a buyer in cryptocurrency. I do not like buying cryptocurrency when we're in extreme greed. I think it's a bad strategy to start DCAing and doing some stupid crazy shit. Like if you're on the sideline, you can probably just wait for this to go down a little bit. But if you just need exposure, like just put something really small. Just put like 20-30 bucks into something so you can feel good. You can get that shit off your shoulder. You can get that monkey off your shoulder and feel like I gotta be inside the market, because some people is like that. They're like, Billy, I gotta be in the market. I don't care about this thing. I'm missing out. So just put $10 into something so you can have that satisfaction that you're in the market, right? But guys, like please, if you knew, do not come and ape in an environment that's extreme greed, right? There ain't nobody finna tell you this. They about to tell you go buy Jasmine. I understand. I like Jasmine too, but I am screaming to you guys. If you don't listen to nothing else on the stream, listen to this, right? All right, so I'll just be completely honest with you there, guys. What are we else here? So we talked about Elon pumping. Salute to Marco in the Elon community. We did talk about Elon here. Hopefully we can get this. Elon can break this neckline here. So we just talk about Elon. Let's grab a little bit of Jasmine in there as well. I think Jasmine is holding the 2 cent, which is very bullish in my opinion. Again, what you want to see from Jasmine, if we go down here to the let's say the 12-hour. Right, I think that's pretty good. So you can see here on the 12-hour, I guess we can pull up some indicators here. And let me know how y'all Friday is kind of like shaking, right? Trend based fib. What I want to use, maybe a channel. Let's see what we got here. Oh, that's what I was looking for. So what I'm looking at here on the Jasmine chart, right? So you can see here, you got one flag pattern, and I said this in the last video. If you go on a 12-hour, Jasmine looking like it's ready to set up another pattern. I don't think this is a parallel channel here. What's this? All right, so I guess we can do that, right? We'll take this and kind of like swing that right there, and we'll take another channel, and we're just trying to see, you know, how long this channel will go before it breaks to the upside, right? So got that channel there. Looks like it's building some support right here at 2 cent, which is positive. And we also talked about how Jasmine if it breaks 3.6, right, 3.5 cent, there's not much resistance because it fell so fiercely and didn't build any structure between that fall. So that was actually a bad thing for the people that were bought at the top, but actually a good thing for the people that bought at the bottom, because it's easier to break into those resistance patterns, and that's what we want to see for Jasmy. So for people that, you know, had missed out here and here, I'm not gonna say Jasmy is a good buy in extreme greed, but if it continues to hold support at 2 cent, then the next stop could be around 3 cent and 3.5 cent, right? So that's that. I think that we covered everything. Oh, and also here you can see, man, I'm up massively on this token here. I'm up massively on Axon DAO. So this was something that I shield to the, wow, at one point, what did it hit? 24 cent. Insane. It's building support here at 20 cent, which is fucking crazy, right? We got into this thing at that like very, very, very bottom. Like, I don't even know. It was just such the bottom that I don't even know. It's sitting at a $30 million market cap now, 200 million FDV. I think that the FDV will head to 1 billion. 1 billion, which is about a 5x. So if you add 5x to 30 million, maybe 180 million very, very, very soon for this project. I think that this thing right here is going to yeah, it's gonna hit 1 billion. It's gonna hit 1 billion. If you know what they're building as far as decentralized science, the team that's on board, they're literally shilling this project across ETH Denver, and it seems like they are convincing a lot of people at ETH Denver that this is the truth, right? So just keep that in mind here. All right, I'm not sure why my internet right here just went out, but we're gonna wait for a little second for it to come back in. All right, we're back. All right, so yeah, do your research on Axon DAO. 30 million market cap is, I think it goes to 100 million in the near future. 180 is my call, which is a 5x from here. So I think the FDV also 5x's. As long as they don't, you know, start like dumping token supply and adding some type of dilution to further build out the ecosystem. A person in the Discord did point that out, which I agree 110%. I'm on the side to believe that most of VCs want the same thing that we want, so they'll probably look to front run sellers as we get a little bit closer to peak bull run. So this is something that I think I want to hold peak bull run. I'm up massive profits in this, guys, and I haven't even sold anything. And the smart thing would be because I got in so low, would be to start taking profits. But I don't want to. I hate when I get like this. I get conviction of some certain things about the project, and I don't know. I just think that this thing can at least I won't start taking projects. Start taking profits until it's at $180 million market cap. So I don't base my my profit taking strategy on price. I think that's bad, because if you don't understand how the token supply and dilution and inflation is set up, and you go off price, then you'll fucking get wrecked. I set mines off market cap. So I'm looking for this to 5x to $180 million market cap, which is realistic. The FDV would be around 1 billion, which is realistic, and that's when we'll start to look to take profits. Just 30 million, I think that is still ripe for this project, and I think there's still a good 5x to this, but that's just my opinion here. So salute to the people that is winning this trade with me, right? Axon DAO. Salute to the people that's winning this. I think that it's the top decentralized science project in the space. We got a few trades that we're actually winning, but right now Axon DAO and any Inu, which we talked about early, is literally carrying the portfolio outside of Telos. Telos has actually been holding strong, I believe, at 50 cent. Let's see here. Yep, Telos is back on the run, right? It went to 60 cent at one point. Yes, love to see it. So yeah, Telos is also holding down our portfolio. So those three have been the best performers. I listened to a space with AIT, and they were talking about, again, data annotation. I don't understand how people don't see how bullish AIT actually is, because it's the only project that is a subnet for BitTensor here that actually is like really building out a ecosystem where it, you know, in my opinion, we're lacking. Now right now buying it could be a top. I haven't sold any of my AIT yet, You know, I looked at it like, should I start to take profits? But when I listened to the space, again, FDV 667. So I would be most likely looking to take profits when the FDV hits 1 billion and the market cap hits about 100 million, just based off the FDV ratio to the market cap. So I'm looking to get another 2x on my AIT holdings before I start to at least take my initial investment out and just hold my moon bag. So notice how I'm kind of like calculating the FDV going to 1 billion, because I think that's a psychological number for VCs, for angel investors. I wouldn't have known this if I didn't become a dev, guys. So when I'm giving you some, I'm literally giving you alpha, not just from a YouTuber standpoint. Like, now watching a lot of these YouTubers, when I watch them, I'll be like, and they say something, I'll be like, there's probably guys that used to do that too when I used to say shit. And we you know, YouTubers, we get up here and we say shit so confidently and y'all believe it. But this is how I do my strategy of profit taking. I see a lot of people put their strategies out there. I don't necessarily agree. You can do the Excel page and all that, cool, but I pay attention to FDV, right? And I'm looking at where the FDV can go, and I'm calculating what that would be for the market cap. So in my opinion, I'm hoping this FDV hits 1 billion. Which would put this most likely around 100 million, $120 million market cap. And that's where we'll look to start taking out some investors. I just think this is a strong utility, right? Data annotation in a decentralized way. It's also a DePIN. So AIT is a DePIN project. People don't know that. They just think it's an AI project, right? Well, why is it a DePIN project? And I'm giving y'all some alpha here. The reason, and I just listened to their space like an hour before jumping on live. But the reason that this is a DePIN project is because anybody who has a laptop, a computer, or whatever, desktop, you know what I mean, you can literally sign up through data annotation and train machine learning in a decentralized way. They will compensate you just like any other DePIN project for you contributing to data annotation. The same thing with the GHX. Like I hold a lot of GHX. Because it is a cross narrative project, right? Gamercoin here. I don't know why it's doing this weird shit. Come on, man. Come on, computer. I gotta get one of them expensive GPU computers. But yeah, Gamercoin. I think that this right here is another project that just, man, you have time, right? If you understood what they're building as far as being a gaming project, but also a DePIN project that allows you to lend out your CPU and GPU while your computer has idle time, and in exchange you earn Gamercoin, Bitcoin. You can earn whatever you want to set it up to earn. So I love this because when I'm not doing stuff on my computer and I'm maybe just watching YouTube or doing stuff where it has my computer has a lot of idle time, I like to mine GHX. So very, very good utility. Actually, we should have enough information to see if this has crossed the green on the Gaussian channel. So guys, let's go actually check this out here. Whoa. So yeah, Elon is still moving. It's looking like it's want to really follow the steps of Dogecoin. So couldn't have picked a better time to actually get my bag the way I wanted to get with Elon here. But let's go to GHX. And we'll swing over to the Tether, and there we go, right, guys? So yeah, right in GHX from here. We got into GHX pretty early. It is overbought here on the weekly, right? But it's been, god damn, you don't normally see this, but this is how bullish this project is, right? It's very overbought here on the weekly. But if we swing over here to date range, you can see when it peaked out at overbought. It's been probably overbought for like, and this is the weekly. This is insane, right? This thing has been overbought, swinging in and out between overbought and right there at the top at about 189 days. So this right here tells you the type of momentum that GHX has. And again, you know, even if you just bought right here, right, and anticipating the green Gaussian channel switch, but you can't find a better fucking strategy. I literally don't see anybody talking about this strategy, and I'm literally printing, guys, with old coins Old coins, not new coins. You can't use this strategy with new coins, okay? Let's make that clear. I'm literally printing with old coins by using the same strategy across the board. 2 months ago, we was trading golden candles on a daily. Right now, we're trading Gaussian channel, bullish Gaussian channel on the weekly. And I just showed you like 4 or 5 different examples of projects that I actually fucking hold. I don't know what else you want me to do at this point. I don't even know why I don't have 100 subscribers. Subscribers need to know this. New people need to know this. They need to know that new coins are not dead. They need to know that it's a strategy that literally is this. I don't even know. This is a GOAT strategy, but it works. It works for me. I don't know. It works for me. All right, so that's all my news for the day. Let's get into the chat. I've been talking for enough, right? Much people. We got 61 people inside here. Updated the app, but Crow and Coinbase. All right, so let's start at the beginning. Salute to everybody that's in here. Memes are going wild. What up, Cody? Yeah, memes are going wild. Is this just a bear market rally before the halving starts? This year is different than the past 10 years. No way this is a bear market rally because we're seeing too many coins flip green on the Gaussian channel and also on the money line. Those are two of the most bullish indicators in the space. And when you're getting every coin doing that, it's hard to say that this is a bear market rally. Could Jasmine hit reach $4 to $5 this bull run? That just seems a little bit too ambitious. I do apologize if I do not agree. Getting listed on Robinhood too. Wife? Oh, that's crazy if it gets listed on Robinhood. That means it got some people behind it. Dano, what's up, good? What's up, good brother? Hopefully, I can free up some time at 8 p.m. and jump on your show. How do you feel about Spell? Spell is pumping, man. This is how I feel about Spell, right? Very, very, very easy. This is how I feel about Spell. Now, I don't hold Spell. I have no intentions of holding Spell. I'm not even a fan of Spell. But I mean, right now, we just talked about what this means. So you still have time left before it just turns like how GHX is, before that joint flips green. And when it flips green, well, then you're going to see weeks and weeks and weeks of green candle, right? At least 3 or 4 weeks, which is just bullish, right? It's just bullish. So Spell, I don't know why Spell is pumping, but you can see here they had a massive bear market, right? And it's now breaking. I mean, wow, you could just make so much money in crypto right now, but just using this one strategy. It's very, very simple, guys. More people need to be watching this. Millie coming on the show. Think Wojak. I'm gonna work to make it. You said 8 p.m. I'm gonna work to make it. Think Wojak gonna send? Possibly. Doja Lamont gonna be the winner though. Yeah, man. The frames though looking like a light. Sheesh, big boy glasses. Yeah, man. I'm chilling. I'm chilling. Chat, more likes. We need more likes. Let's get the more likes up. Crust Network, come on, share this right now, guys. More Elon say less. Dogechain, I just got to load up more of it then. Yeah, Dogechain is something that I would pay attention to as well. Myro, let's take a look at Myro. We got to go to more of a okay, let's go here to Myro. I think we got to take a Inu approach with Myro, right? But at, just a couple weeks ago, right, it was at 6 cents. So looks like the reversal is in for Myro. We do have enough information here on the daily, I believe, but it is oversold. And I'm looking at the yes, we do. Okay, cool. So yeah, Myro, I think we made this chart weeks ago, right? Myro is about to enter its bullish stage, which is above 12 cents. So if it breaks 12 cents, if it breaks to 0.5, then the reversal is official, right? You can see this nice little pattern that we do have for Myro. I'm actually going to remove that because it did exactly what we expected to do. It's crazy, man. I don't know if I'm getting good at this or I'm getting good at this. But we do have a double bottom here. Why do people say TNA doesn't work on meme coins? Why do people say that? That's some dumbass shit. I'm sorry. It is getting in its overbought stages, but you can see here bullish momentum on the MACD, overbought on the stock RSI. So it just depends on if this 0.5 serves as resistance or it can break it and complete the double bottom that you're seeing here. You want to see this break 0.5. It hasn't broken yet, so technically I'm not going to say this is bullish. From the high to the high, 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 high. You can see clearly it's setting up higher high. So, you know, it was this the bottom, the local bottom, right? We're not going to say it was the bottom, but was this the bottom? Who knows? But on the grand scheme of things, that's still a very, very bullish pattern, right? You know, you got your W, huge W, which could set up a violent move here to the upside for Myro. So do I think, was I, you know, saying Myro's a bad project? No, I'm not. I'm a dev, so I understand that the people has been like, Millie, don't talk about selling Myro when it's in a parabolic stage. How can you say a project's in a parabolic stage if we don't have enough information on it to do TNA, right? So it was very irresponsible for YouTubers to keep telling people to buy this shit while it was up here when I was telling you guys wait for pullback. I was one of the few YouTubers that told you guys to wait for pullback. And I love my fellow YouTuber friends, but again, even myself, I like to come up here when I'm wrong and just say I'm wrong, right? I had a few BRC20 plays that I called out, right? And a few layer 0 plays that I called out. OmniX, OZK, and W Bridge. Was wrong about those. Completely wrong about those plays. You feel me? And it is what it is. You can't win them all. Like I say, I always say I got a 60% win rate. I don't like to say anything higher than 60% because you don't know. I would really 50% because you just don't know. Anybody can look like a genius in the bull market. But I was telling people just wait for a pullback because I know the things that happen behind the scenes. I was watching kind of like the partnerships and things of that sort. So I know how much this stuff costs, right? So again, me having that little bit more experience because the circles that I'm in is just telling you guys to just wait on pullback. When I'm telling you something, you know, just take the word to the wise to be efficient. Doesn't mean I'm right, but just think about what I'm saying because I'm getting a little bit more experience in this, and the experience is the best teacher, right? You got to take L's to have experience. Your experience comes from your losses. I mean, that's how I see it. I don't know how you guys see it. So I think Myro is looking to turn bullish, not just yet. Needs to break a key neckline here, but looks like it's trying to start another uptrend. Let's see what we got here. Do you like Corgi AI? I don't see nothing wrong with Corgi AI. I took some profits out though, still in it. Where can you buy Inu? Any Inu? You get, man, there's so many places you can buy it. It's on 17 different chains. Guys, I'm kind of tired. Bear with me. It's on 17 different chains, right? But I bought mine on Uniswap, right? Simple Uniswap swap, right? Ethereum for Uniswap. Ethereum for any Inu on Uniswap. Welcome back, Donkey Dog. I'm Johnny 5. Yeah, salute to the J5 community, guys. We go live on Grove X at 3 a.m. if you don't know. We got 69 people in here. Hit that like and subscribe. Millie make me smile. Appreciate you. What's good, Millie? Glad to be part of the stream today. It's 5 a.m. here from down under. Where you at, Willis? Sheesh. 5 a.m. I might as well fall back to sleep. Facts, tell the Shiba team they slacking. I don't think they slacking. They just didn't understand how bullish it could have been if they just made Shiba Inu. You know, but hey, if you bought Bone and you're loading up Bone at the lows, salute to you. What about Tectonic? Do we have enough information on Tonic? Let me pull up Tonic here for you guys and see where we're at in the Tonic development. I need to make a Tonic video, right? I think it's well overdue. They got, oh, this is actually a good indicator. Well, actually, let's see what actually Tectonic is on DeFi Llama. Let's swing over here to DeFi Llama. I'm gonna check a few things on Tectonic, right? Yeah, leave this site. Let's head to DeFi Llama because we can check a few things on Tectonic to see if it's actually flipping bullish here. Wow, matter of fact, I didn't know you could actually check Telos. Oh yeah, so as you can see, kind of coincides what's going on with Telos. Telos ecosystem is exploding, and you can pretty much use TVL as a indicator on if a ecosystem is actually exploding. I wish they had a reef, right? Would have been nice if they did have Reef. Reef should get on TVL real quick. But let's check out Tectonic here and see if we are seeing any type of movement on TVL, and then I'll take a look at the charts. Yeah, so just based on TVL, Tectonics, it looks like it's creeping up, right? 125. It's creeping up. Okay, it's creeping up a little bit. It almost might be time for Tectonic. It is trying to creep up a little bit here, but yeah, man. The TVL, we need to see it start to move to the upside. Actually, let me turn off my top light because it's kind of hot with that joint. Shit, burning the top of my skull. I feel so much better. Woohoo! All right, so let's roll over here to. I guess we can go to this chart here, and let's see if we can kind of roll into Tonic. Okay, we'll have to go on the Dex tools. I think I did some TNL for Tonic. It is up 5% on the day. Is this coming off a bear cross? Oh yeah. So it was setting some new lows there. We do got a green engulfing candle. 3-day chart here. Let's see. I think Tonic is still a little bit bearish. I think Tonic is still in bear territory because even on the 3-day, you can see that even though it's getting some momentum here on the MACD and also the RSI, but we're not seeing that much of a move. You do have a higher low from here, so that is good. And you also have is that a bullish street? Oh, you got a golden cross here on a 3-day, a V-shaped recovery. But as long as this golden cross doesn't turn into a bear cross, I think you might have an opportunity. I would love to see this not be trending down, right? Because then the move is not going to be that fierce, because when you get a bull cross and then you get a bear cross right afterward, then it kind of takes away from the move to the upside. So I would still be cautious with Tectonic. I will say this, as long as it continues this trend, you might have a shot, but I mean, it's going to be tough to put in a higher high because this was a bear cross. It was coming off a bear cross, and yeah, it was just a nasty move on the 3-day. So it got a long way to go. If this thing starts pumping and it starts like, kind of like if it starts pumping and it can get close to this neckline here, maybe. But yeah, Tectonic, it's just not there just yet. But this could be the best time to actually buy, right? When no one's talking about it. Because I look at it like this. Once Tectonic starts pumping, who do we see talking about it? We start seeing all the YouTubers. I think the biggest YouTuber we start seeing talk about it is Oscar Ramos. And Oscar has a big chokehold on the crypto.com community. So as soon as Tectonic starts pumping, he's going to start making YouTube videos. Every time he starts making YouTube videos, Tectonic starts pumping because a lot of the crypto.com community watches his videos and ape into the crypto.com tokens that he actually pumps. So at the end of the day, he's a great guy. He has a big following, not just in the States. He has following from his own country. So he tends to move crypto.com tokens that have small market caps. And if Tectonic does start pumping, him and Agent Zero, I believe, could create some type of momentum for Tectonic. But yeah, it just isn't there yet. But it is opportunities with it you know, rivaling the lows here. So just keep that in mind. All right, let's get into some of the comments. Oh man, I'm going crazy over here. What am I doing? Pause. I'm going crazy. 70K the next week to Bitcoin. Yeah, I could see it happen because even on the weekly, the stock RSI is not overbought yet. Nope, don't think so. Yes, next week. BTC nearly touched 100K here in Australia. Okay. Do you use Grove X Exchange since you're in Australia? I might as well ask you, Willis, because you'll be able to get some J5 on Grove X Exchange if you do use Grove X. If we do, I can't help but feel like this bull run will be short when most are expecting it to still be in it at the end of the year. Well, the reason why I think that it's going to be longer than people think, because what we're seeing from, if you want to, okay, I guess if we do hit an all-time high before the halving, it kind of takes away from the cycles. But if we go off history and we use the 6-month and also the yearly candles here, guys, you can see you can use two things here. You can see that's like the what's it called? The universal word for all influencers. You can see I said it again. I got to stop saying that because I see every influencer says that, and I'm an enthusiast. But here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 bear market. This is the 6-month, right? The only outlier was here in 2019. But again, bull run 1, 2, 3, 4 bear market, right? We still haven't closed this 6-month candle here, and this 6-month candle can take us to an all-time high. Well, it technically has already taken us to an all-time high. We just haven't broke the wick candle all-time high here at 69K. But 1, 2, 3. So how high will the 4th candle take us, right? We don't know. But based off history, if you just back test it, you get 1, 2, 3. You get 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. 1, 2, 3, 4 candles, and then 1, 2, 3. So we should have a 4th one coming, and this is why people banking on this 4th candle on the 6-month chart, literally taking us to 100K. You can use the same strategy on the yearly chart if you just swing here to the yearly chart. And this is why I had to tell somebody on the Jasmine video earlier that technically we've been in a bull run since January 2023, right? That's when the bull run started. Anybody that bought crypto from June to December, they're up massively, right? We took profits in phase 1 because we made a lot of profits in phase 1, and we were able to kind of like, you know, make sure that we got a nice amount in stables. I didn't take profits to where I said I converted it to cash. I just converted it to stables, right? So it's still sitting in the market technically, but I haven't converted it to cash or move it to the bank. I actually don't plan on doing that for a full year. I'll just sit my profits in stable coins, and then I'll devise a strategy from there. But you can see here, I said it fucking again. 1, 2, 3, right? Yearly candles. 1, 2, 3, bear market. 1, 2, 3, bear market. 1, 2. We haven't closed this yearly candle. So where will the 3rd candle take us? The 3rd candle, based on cycle history, should take us well into 2025, and everybody thinks that the peak bull run will be somewhere between April 2025 and December 2025. And this is why this coincides with the history of the market. So even if you just go and you just look back at the chart, it's basically repeating itself. And I talked about this in another video, how everything has been aligning to the T. That is almost scary and eerie, right? So I think that the bull market is going to be till 2025, somewhere in between there, because we don't have that last candle on the 6-month chart, and we don't have that last candle on the yearly chart. All right, so let's get into some more comments here. I need to buy more. I need to buy way more Elon now because I'm fresh. Yeah, man, the Rufus chain, they did it the right way. AOKG. They did it the right way. So I gotta give credit where credit is due, right? Now they just need to drop Rufus chain, and we just need developers to come and start making a whole bunch of meme coins and building this and that, gaming coins, right? And then the whole entire ecosystem of Elon could literally explode. On bull flag, on bull flag, on bull flag. Hey, FB, yo, we trading them bull flags all day, baby. Thank you. Is somebody in there that see the same thing I'm seeing? It's bull flag on bull flag on bull flag. And we're not just talking on one cryptocurrency. We're talking about throughout the space, right? It's like we pump, we're building support. Next flagpole. It's just happening right then and there. Millie, what do you think about CDT? What? I put my boy on the CDT. He bought a bag of CDT. What? This is one of my projects that my phase 1 projects that I am holding a moon bag. They do have check.chain coming. I pay attention to this project a lot. It is in a narrative that's niche, right? Cybersecurity, AI. Still can say it's in the AI. We bought in on check.dot at 5 cents. And it went up to the heights of $1.20. So this was a phase 1 move, guys. You can see here in the phase 1 that we did very, very well in phase 1, right? We did very, very well in phase 1 for check.dot here. So you go to the price range from where is it? 5 cents, right? Right around here, like 5 cents. This was like the beginning, right? Of the AI. And what was this? Like, okay, so up here to $1.20. This is why I took profits on a lot of my phase 1 coins. Many people ask me, right? Because when I discovered check.dot, it was sub $1 million market cap. Sub $1 million market cap, right? And many people ask me, how did I do it? Was it like, was it meme coins? I didn't catch the wick candle. Wish I did. Right around $1. I don't like to include wick candles, just to be completely transparent. But here at $1, that's almost like a 2,000% move, like almost like a 20x. So we were able to take some good profits here from check.dot phase 1 of the bull run. So this is one of the phase 1 projects that I hold a moon bag on. I'm on a 3-day. It seems like, I mean, if you missed out on all of this, this is the perfect time, right? Check.chain is coming. The 3-day is bullish as far as the stock RSI. We still need confirmation on the MACD, and this is a very, very, very nice, good correction that's looking to hold here at the support and structure that it's built right here around 58 cents. So if it can start building support at 58 cents, which you can see right here, that'd be good. If not, next stop would be right here at around, because yeah, it was around like 40 something cent for a while. Yeah, so it has massive support here at 41 cent. I don't think it breaks 41 cent. What I would do right now is I would probably look at my chart if I was watching this stream, and I would just simply set up a buy zone, right? I would set up a buy zone right here between 58 cent and 41 cent, and I'll highlight it for you guys because I like to use my little highlighter. This would be my buy zone right here, right? I actually put Mega J on check.dot. He's like, man, I need a good token on the BNB chain, man. I don't want to pay no fees. Give me something, Millie. Give me something, Millie. I said, bro, check.dot. I said, bro, check.dot, right? You can see in the wick candle shows, really gives us a lot of information. So if we zoom in, guys, I want to show you guys something about this wick candle. The bears were not able, and this is the type of shit where I'd be like, how do people say TNA doesn't work? I don't know. It works for me. I think people just say that just to say that, right? You can see here, it's like the global fake phrase for YouTubers. You can see here, I gotta find another phrase to say, because I was watching a YouTuber, he said that shit like 10 times, and now I'm saying it like 10 times. I need a new phrase, okay? Here we have a huge wick candle, but the bears were not able to push this thing down past the support that we're seeing here. So let's line up. Okay, yeah. So yeah, this support. Let's actually do a little code red right there, just to make it, just to be a little bit safe, right? So we'll turn this, and this is what I do. I look for opportunities on strong tokens. I think this is a very strong token, by the way. Yeah, I'll put the red line there. Would love it to fall back, but we have a telling story here, right? So this is a very, very telling story, and it's very, very simple telling story, right? Engulfing green candle, which means this green candle is bigger than this green candle. So if you was to put this red candle inside this green candle would overweigh this red candle. So you got two things going on here. You got an engulfing green candle, which is bullish. You also have a huge wick where it shows bears lost strength and they couldn't make this candle red. So this candle at one point was red, but the bulls pushed it back up. The bulls just seemed to be stronger, and it caused it to be engulfing green candle. What you want to see is one more green candle, which would confirm 3 white soldiers. And if you get 3 white soldiers on a 3-day off of V-shape kind of like recovery, in my opinion, if this green candle closes above this and we get one more green candle, I would pretty much say that the next move for check dot will start, right? I love this correction here. It was able to build out some structure, which you need from a small cap, and now check dot is looking to make its next move to the upside. The fact that this project has the same amount of tokens as Bitcoin and is literally less than $1 in a narrative that's not really talked about enough, but a very bullish narrative when you think about all the fraud, scams, and the fact that there's no insurance inside crypto and they're working to award DeFi insurance. Well, then there's a niche narrative there, and the max supply, I believe, is 21 million, and the total supply is 9 million. So with it having 29 million, I mean, you can compare this to something like Tau, right? So just to swing over here and give you guys an example of what I'm talking about, I am a big fan of BitTensor. BitTensor has 21 million tokens here, and all the people that bought BitTensor at like, you know, $40 most likely are rich right now. If you bought a lot of BitTensor at $40, you're probably rich, and you're probably still holding on to this because this is about to be a massive project. It's literally doing the same thing OpenAI is doing in a decentralized manner. And even if you miss Tau, you can get into the subnets. Literally anything that's in the ecosystem of Tau, whether it be meme coins or utility subnets, they all been literally fucking sending, right? So we found a few projects very similar to Tau. I'm not going to talk about them on stream. If you're in the Discord, if you're in the Patreon, you know which projects we're talking about. But I think Tau, does something stupid. I think it goes to 1,000, anywhere between 5,000 and 10,000. Like what we used to talk about Quant, I think it's going to happen with Tau. I think what we used to say about Quant, and don't get me wrong, I'm still a fan of QNT, but AI is way more lucrative narrative. It literally is the future. AI, if you just bought AI and gaming coins, you probably are going to get really, really rich in this bull run. You really just need AI and gaming coins. You really just need AI and gaming coins, man. Let's just keep it real here. You really just need AI and gaming coins. Everything else is just like, oh, I want to be having this part of narrative, this narrative. Really, all you fucking need is AI and gaming coins. That's really all you need. This is just be real, right? I think this gets to $5,000 or $10,000 per coin. Yes, I do. I think Tau is really, really built like that, right? As long as another technology doesn't come that's better, but then you know how crypto is. Oh, new car. Let me go grab the new shiny car. Big fan of Tau. Also, Tau had some bullish news here that Foundry, which is one of the top Bitcoin miners, Foundry brings awareness and industry expertise to centralized platforms. We are excited to announce the registration of our first subnet, the S&P 500 Oracle, incentivizing miners to make predictions on the S&P 500 price. This is one of the top BTC miners, and the news came here from my boy Nifty. If you missed out on Bitcoin, there's always BitTensor waiting for you. The largest Bitcoin miner in the world is now a subnet on BitTensor, and this is why this project has the same amount of supply in Bitcoin, and now people are saying that it can still 100x, meaning going from $700 to $70,000. And this is how massive people believe AI in the next 24 months is going to be for a lot of projects. So take that, as with a grain of salt. But Foundry is now a miner on the subnet of BitTensor. This is the largest Bitcoin miner. I know Tau's expensive, and I was telling people about Tau early. I wasn't even listening to my own fucking self when I knew what I knew about Tau. And I still have not grabbed at least one Tau. I think I need to grab just one so I can feel good, right? To know, hey, if this thing do something stupid like go to the heights of Bitcoin, I'm in there. So, big fan of Tau. Big fan of Tau. Let's see what we got here. The beginning of the decoupling is occurring. That's why the institutions were allowing prop up BTC utility, while I have made Bitcoin and meme coin by 2030 just Ethereum. That's interesting, X. Guys, crypto really is the real deal. Hit the like button. Let's go, Jermaine. Talk to me. I try, man. I try. With your honesty, bro, hundreds of subscribers is coming soon. Yeah, man. I try to do my best, bro. I don't got the best, perfect cause, but I just try, right? Appreciate you guys. Where were we? Core AI had another. Bro, Willis. I'm sitting here looking at Core AI, right? I'm like, oh, yeah, we got the pump, right? I'm like, we got the pump, right? Now, they did get the news that they're going to some type of meeting with NVIDIA, but I don't know. I can't sell my Core AI, right? Because ETH fees are too fucking expensive. And at this point, it's such a low market cap, I'm just rounding out. I did buy another play in the GPU cloud computing sector. So if you're in the Patreon or if you're in the TG, if you're in the Johnny 5 TG, we call it that shit early. If you was up 5 o'clock in the morning, our indicators flip bullish on this new GPU cloud computing play. So this is why you need to hold 500,000 J5 tokens, because if you were part of the TG channel of J5 AI calls, we got into this GPU play at 200,000 market cap. I think it 2x'd in like 30 minutes. And then they dropped news that they were in the NVIDIA program. And this is why J5 has utility, because anybody who got into this project, of course, of J5, our AIs, they're going to give some stuff, and it's high risk. But anybody who got into that TG call early at least made a 2x, whether you got in and got out. A little Elmo hit you. I hit you up on TG. Man, what's good? MMA, J5, MMA, bang, bang, bang. Talk to me nice, baby. Elmo, Master Elmo. My God. Me and Master Elmo was talking the other day, bro. I love what MMA is doing. I love what Katana Inu is doing. I think that's marketing genius, right? Marketing genius. Love what MMA is doing, right? I said that in the last stream. Elon is the golden Willy Wonka ticket. J5 is the Willy Wonka ticket. If you know, then you know. I'm always putting up the work. Yeah, man. I hit you up on the TG. I'll get on TG after the stream. I'm Little Elmo. Appreciate you guys. No fun, but I sold all my smell, baby. Jasmine predictions. I made some Jasmine predictions a little bit a little bit earlier. Core AI. I just talked about that. Yeah. So heard about Core AI. Wish them well. I still hold the token. But I need to see more structure being built, and I need to know that these volatile swings won't be like this forever. But ETH's fee is just too high for me to make any movement, so I got into it. We just talked about CDT DePIN. Juggling is tough for me, man. Tough for me. Okay, you are in America, right? I'm on the other side of the pond. TNA absolutely works on memes. Yes, it does, Cryptosaurus. Salute to you guys as well, man. Where you see Tectonic, I just talked about Tonic. If you got to rewind the stream, rewind it, bro. Meme coins are changing the space and aesthetics of crypto. Big words. I went to public school, okay? I struggle with this. Something that brings fun to the space. Yeah, man. Make sure you join those Twitter spaces. Any Twitter space that you see, I'm going to be at J5. You're going to see all them little J5 variants, bro. The community been showing out. Yo, the community has been showing out. I don't know what happened today, but we almost bust into another all-time high. Like some whales hopped into the project real quick, and I guess they were trying to make a quick profit. They just hopped in. I'm seeing $5,000 buys. I'm like, where did this come from? I don't pay attention to the charts enough, guys. I know how you feel. I'm in FB community. They have crack on Solana. I sold the top while they shield the F out of it. I want no hate. With your honesty, yes. Also, it's real development in devs that continue to build in the market up or down. Just know it's not. Don't doubt the market. Smart people, bro. Some smart people that's building some nice things. Salute to the earn token. Like, when a dev with a big brain and a small market cap is that fucking earn token. That's all I'm gonna say. Earn, when you gonna hop on the stream, baby? Guys, it's real deal. I'm optimistic on altcoin shade when I'm not investing in FTX, XRP, or Terra Luna. It's crazy that you had FTX, bro. AMP predictions. All right, let's go into AMP. I think we got enough information to check out AMP, right? We should have enough information to check out AMP. Let's check out AMP. AMP. Can we find AMP? Let's see. Okay, this is AMP Bitstamp. No, I think I want to do AMP on Tether, right? The mob Tether. All right, so let's go here. Yeah, AMP is like Jasmine. AMP is like Jasmine, bro. And I don't know enough about AMP to tell you exactly what these guys are doing, but it has a Jasmine chart. And it was a lot of fun with AMP. And AMP just crossed the Gaussian channel on the weekly. I can't really give you a price prediction or anything like that. I'm not really into that. I can just tell you where the momentum is headed. I don't know enough about this token to say where the momentum is headed. I can say a few good things. Did break the Gaussian channel. It looked to retest it, and it was a successful retest. You could tell by the second green candle. In about 30 to 40 days, if this continues to, didn't they get delisted by Binance? Crazy, right? But I think this is one of them security tokens that the SEC was really, really paying attention to. So, be very cautious. But it did fall from the grace, right? And AMP probably, I don't know enough about it, guys. But the momentum is picking up. So I'll leave it at that. I don't want to give you any false hope because I haven't done enough research to speak on AMP, to be honest with you. VVS over Tonic all day. VVS has been pumping, but I'm a Tonic guy. I got to stick with what I know. Foam. Oh, I still hold that token. I still hold Foam. I'm not selling Foam, right? That's a DePIN project. And that actually is building something real in the space. So I still hold Foam. It's still in my portfolio, full transparency. Where are we at on Foam? I don't know. I guess it's doing well. I haven't checked. I gotta actually check my portfolio, but Foam looks like the chart looks pretty good. Let me go to the daily. Huge golden cross right on the daily, and it's just been building support. I still hold Foam, bro. I like what Foam is doing. I like I like the DePIN narrative. I like what they're specifically doing with mapping and things of that sort. So yeah, I like Foam. I think Foam has potential. I still hold this project. This is a DePIN project that I do hold full transparency. So I do hold Foam. Let them know, bro. Let's go, Elon. Let's go, J5. Let's see where we at. So we stopped at Foam. I got to get some rest before work. Peace, chat. Don't forget some buys. Yeah, appreciate you, Ayo Keiji. Get some rest, man. We don't need you on that road not being able to see. Do you think BTC all-time high was manipulated by CVID last cycle and the BTC and not as go as high as it should gone? Well, that pretty much got canceled out, right? Because, yeah, it may have been inflated because of CVID and all the extra money that they poured in. But now we got institution. We got the suits and ties here, right? And what the suits and ties are doing with these spot ETFs is they're giving boomers, right? We never had boomers in crypto. I don't think people understand how much retirement money that we've never had retirement money in crypto, guys. We just haven't. Boomers, talk to Warren Buffett. He'll tell you how the fuck he feel about BTC. He said it's rat poison. But his advisors say, buy BTC. BTC flipped Berkshire. Go look at it. BTC flipped Berkshire. BTC flipped Warren Buffett's business, right? It flipped basically insurance company that gets money monthly from everybody across the world. That is insane, guys. That is insane, right? So we never really seen this type of boomer money in Bitcoin, and we're testing all-time highs without quantitative easing. That is also huge. We're not yet in quantitative easing, yet we are retesting all-time highs. So I don't think that because what happened with CVID that we won't have the same, but we're probably going to have a way more massive bull run because we got real old money in BTC. You ever heard that term when people say old money? That's what we got in BTC now because of the spot ETFs. We got old money in BTC. And for that alone, we don't even need retail, and we're already about to cross all-time highs. Interested in Solana memes. Overcome. I did not see this. Appreciate you, Overcome. Interested in Solana memes. Some Solana memes out there that's pretty good. Got a couple guys that's been hitting me up to talk about some Solana memes. We might take some partnerships with some good Solana memes. I think we might take a little partnership with a little pre-sale. I'll give y'all a good pre-sale, right? Y'all like pre-sales. You want to get into something early? I know a couple good Solana pre-sales on the way. J5 address. I haven't even checked J5 since I've been on the stream, right? But I guess I'll put the address in there for you guys. I'll put the address in there for you guys. Yeah, I'm still bullish on foam. I hold foam. Guys, I still hold like most of my portfolio, right? We had a little bit correction back in the threes. So yeah, you still got an opportunity. You still got opportunity. Look, your wheels jumped in real quick to try to make some quick profits. Almost pushed us to an all-time high. I do hate that wick candle, but I do love that we're building structure right here, right? Because, you know, nothing goes up forever. Us building structure is allowing new holders to get in. And when I say people talk about, hey, being part of something early, I hate to sound like an echo chamber, but I mean, getting in a project that's doing the things we've done in the first 30 days that has less than 500 holders, I think it's a beautiful opportunity. Okay, so let's get into. I'll drop the contract for you. Yeah, I'm interested in some Solana memes. Jasmine's my biggest bag. Finally it broke even at 1.5 after 2 years of holding and lowering my average from 12 cents. Have you heard of mobile? No, I haven't heard of mobile. We could check it out. Let's see here. Mobile. Yeah, we was in the fives at one point today. So yeah, nice good little fake pump there. Trying to capture some buyers. You talking about Helium Mobile? What are they doing? 200. Is this Helium? You talking about Helium? Did they change their name? They must have changed their name. Helium. Yeah, I know about Helium. Hold on, man. We should have enough. We should have enough information on Helium. Swing over here to Tether. We should have enough. Oh man, we don't got enough information on Helium. But yeah, I heard of Helium. I think they did like a migration from their own chain to Solana. But I mean, Helium is cool. But you got better projects out there, right, that do the same thing that Helium do, right? You got Wi-Fi maps. You got a few other DePIN projects that's going to do well like Helium. What's another one? There's another one out there. I forgot the name of the project. Damn, but it's smaller market cap than Helium. But yeah, Helium actually has real projects, right? It's going to have real projects. Botman on Solana. And it's being early to crypto party for once. Yes, man. There are 2 Heliums. Okay, now there are 2. So I don't know what's going on with that. I would have to do some research on that. Tales from the Crypto. Shiba Inu took a bit to shake off the sellers. Hopefully you get a 3x this run this weekend. A whole 3x? Tough. I don't know about that. Let me see here. Botman. Let's check it out. I haven't heard of that one. Botman. Yeah, man. Oh, come on. It's only been live for 6 hours. What did you on, bro? You know I'm not gonna talk about this on stream. I don't know what this is. Hey, it might be a beast, but I don't know what it is, right? Botman. I don't know what this is, so I'm gonna refrain from talking about it on stream, right? It's a little too early for Botman. Oh, Shiba Inu took off. Okay, it's called Helium Mobile, ticker Mobile, part of Helium. Yeah, I seen it. So what was the whole? What was the whole thing? What was the whole? Did they fork or something? What's going on? Wow, what's the news? Coin on. We need some whales in J5, bro. We need the whales. Coin on. Bring it on. Post chain. I need to get on it, guys. I know I've been slacking with post chain. They've been telling me to come over to post chain. They've been telling me to migrate, or not migrate, to create a liquidity pool for J5 on post chain. Everybody want me to drop some post chain alpha and kind of like move post chain. Salute to my boy Mike the investor. I see him moving to post chain. Salute to one of the goats, B Roots. He does something. Ian MMA. Like I watch these guys. Like I literally be tuned into post chain. I just haven't done anything with it, right? It's crazy because I sit and this happens a lot, right? It's kind of like when you're on the sideline. A lot of people are on the sideline in crypto. I've been on the sideline watching all the post-chain activity. I just never joined the party. I just kind of like, watch it, see what's going on, get some alpha, but I never joined the party. Yeah, I seen Sand and Mana going crazy on my Crypto.com app. What about She Wi-Fi Hat or Cat Wi-Fi? Both bullish, man. She Wi-Fi Hat crossed $1. One of the few meme coins that we've ever seen cross $1. I think we had it pulled up here. Yeah, man, this thing is sending, right? It's $1.21 now, right? So yeah, it crossed $1. I think that BTC meme coin should do it as well. What's the name of it? Welsh. I think Welsh has a good shot of crossing $1. I told you guys, I gave you guys the play. I said AGIX is about to explode. I literally gave people the play with AGIX. It's up 227% on the month. I said, watch SDAO. If SDAO has too big of a market cap, just go for Sophia. And they got another like decentralized science play too. But there's some projects that's part of the AGIX ecosystem now that you need to start paying attention to because this ecosystem has exploded, all right? We can kind of like put it in our little strategy here and swing over and put AGIX, baby. All right. Look at that, guys. So, yeah, look at that on AGIX. And these are weekly candles. I'm telling you now, it's just weekly candles here with AGIX. So I'm expecting more action from stuff inside the actual ecosystem, which is crazy because SDAO is one of the projects I bought pretty early. This is public information in my Patreon. Like, if people in my Patreon are not winning this trade, like it's like y'all watch the shit. Oh, and then look at this. This is crazy. Y'all, $60 million market cap. It's the launch pad for Singularity. AI Launchpad, just the easiest play in America. Why do people miss out on stuff like this? I gave you the game plan. I said Singularity, our indicators came up. See, AGIX is about to explode. Look at SDAO. I said SDAO is the one that I would key in the most. But if you feel like you miss SDAO, you might still have a chance with Sophiaverse, right? I think Sophiaverse has not pumped. Yeah, you still got a chance with Sophia. So you still got a chance here with Sophiaverse. You can see a mega downtrend, right? It's probably flooded out. People are probably like, slow rug. I told you guys, I feel like the FDV for Sophia is still overvalued. I think it can still fall another 50% to around 30 million FDV, which will put this around a $5-6 million market cap, and Sophia around 3 cents. But I don't know how much time you got left, right? Because at some point, the rest of the ecosystem will catch up. We've seen it from Solana. We've seen it from HBAR. And we've seen it from AVAX. And AGIX seems to have been the next ecosystem. And the project should follow behind. So right now, you probably missed out on that SDAO move. It's probably going to still move, though. It's $60 million market cap. Not bad. But I would look at Sophia, not financial advice, but you got 3 narratives here. Gaming, metaverse, AI, right? And I'm saying on stream, I still think the FDV is overvalued and could hit around 36 million FDV. So, SDAO was the one that I told y'all to kind of like pay attention to. But if, you missed that little move, now you got to look at Sophia. Where to buy J5? You can buy J5 on Pancake Swap, Rocket X Exchange. You'll be able to buy J5 on Grove X Exchange. So, my camera just died. 1 second, guys. Let me make a switch real quick. 1 second here, and then I'll get back to that. Once I'm on stream, Grove X Exchange is the next that we go live at 3 a.m. tonight. So again, that's the alpha. Big brains, what do? They front run exchanges. So if you ever heard of Grove X, trading will be live on Grove X, and I think withdrawing deposits will be live a few days after that. And I'll show you guys the post when I come back. Chat, like and subscribe. Like and subscribe right now. Like and subscribe. Share this. Share this. Yo, give people a chance to come back, to get in the stream and pick up on some real alpha. Real alpha. Real alpha. And no, I'm not the smartest guy. I can't use big words and shit like all these other technical guys. Like I wish I could use big words like that. I've been trying to read the dictionary and upgrade my vocabulary, right? But you know, I know a little something. I know a little something, guys. I know enough to navigate across the space. I will say that. But I'm still learning. Still things I want to master, right? I want to get my badges up for airdrop farming. I want to get my badges up for private sales and IDOs. So I'm still trying to get my badges, man. I'm getting some badges, but I need more badges, right? I need more badges. Are we back live? All right, we back. We back. 76 people up here. Make sure that you like and subscribe. But yeah, I need more badges. I need more badges, guys. I need more badges. All right, now where were we? Let's see here. All crypto like it's going to the next level. Ain't that something? BTC is making a move to the upside. Oh my God. What's up with XYO? I don't know enough about XYO, but if it's following the footsteps of our strategy here, I think we have enough information to check that, right? XYO is on Coinbase. Yeah. So yeah, you still have time with XYO. I do not know the utility team use case or anything that's going on, but it just went above our little Gaussian channel here, which is a foreshadow of what's to come, in my opinion, right? So a retest of the top of the Gaussian channel would be good, but it just depends on how bullish the narrative is, because you could probably get 3 or 4 weeks of bullish candles, which is crazy. Every chart, man, every altcoin chart is, I mean, right now, OG tokens is the play. New tokens will be the play after the Bitcoin halving cycle. But right now, if you're printing, unless you're getting into some super degen shit, OG tokens, like you can literally put $1,000 across the board and utilize this strategy and print. So XYO looks pretty good. I don't know what it actually does. Maybe you could tell me in the comments, but it looks like it passed the test for our strategy, right? Looks like it does pass the test for our strategy. We love to see that. Cat wife hat exploding right now, man. Yeah. I think I seen those guys. They might have a partnership with Gotbit. You know what Gotbit touch it turns gold for a while. Yo, ODGN. Any thoughts? I don't have any thoughts on that. I got to do research on that. ODGN. I don't even know what that is. What is that? Looks like BTC is breaking out. Start another breakout. Maybe Doja Mars can hit the zoomies this weekend. It's almost there, man. You got to be patient, guys. Be patient. Al Demis said ODGN. So let me check ODGN, because this guy's going crazy in the comments. He want me to shill his bags. Bro, you want me to shill your bags, right? I'll shill your bags real quick, right? Let me shill your bags, right? Hold on. Let me change the view there, right? So you can know that hey, you might need to leave grab a little J5. You want your bag shield, man. ODGY? Is that what we're looking at? Or ODGN? ODGN. Let me make sure, man. This is what this guy's talking about. ODGN. All right. I have not been having a lot of good luck with BRC tokens, BRC20 tokens. Like for me, it just hasn't been working out, right? I either got into it too late or has not been working out. Again, yeah, this is a top, bro, head and shoulder pattern, like clear as day. Maybe it finally continues its uptrend. Won't say it won't. Still a higher low, right? Oh, that's a lower low from there. This could possibly be a head and shoulders pattern. This could possibly be a head and shoulders pattern, and not an inverted one, right? I don't know what this is, man. I'm only bullish on a few BRC20 plays at this point, man. I tried to like get into it, but I didn't get into it early enough, right? We've teamed up with AIX. Good to see. What is this? Origin, the cross chain swap. It's so many of these cross chain swaps with BRC20, and it's just like everybody's trying to be that One, everybody's trying to be that guy, him. It's a little timeout. Is Victor Wembanyama about to be the GOAT? I ain't never seen no shit like that. Timeout. I'm sorry I had to go up with that. He just need to stay healthy. I think he's going to be the GOAT. But sorry, guys. Ordy Jen. I just thought about Wemby. I don't know why. The cross-chain swap. Oh, man. I got to start my sports channel because I love talking sports. I need to start my sports channel. Or at least get back to it. I have it set up. I just haven't gotten back to it. Ordy Jen. Nah, I'm not a big fan of what's going on with these swaps. They all seem to be, if you didn't get in early, they all seem to be pumping dumps to me. I like Mint Layer. I think Mint Layer is official. But outside of Mint Layer, I have had no success with these tokens. None. Absolutely nothing. So if you got into it early, salute to you. I'll bet on AI and gaming. I think BRC tokens have in a world, they do good as Bitcoin hits 100K, but a lot of these joints been utter trash. Utter trash, man. Utter trash. I watched a video yesterday saying BTC was going to hit 200K. If that happens, I would love to see that Tales from the Crypto. Order Genfin, shill it, Fred. Nah, I'll refrain against shilling tops, good brother. Yo, Millie, what do you think about Lila? Lila. I believe we got a 20x on that early in the game, right? 20 cent to $2. So I can revisit that. I do not hold any of that token at the time, right? They've been doing some bullish things though. They've been getting some partnerships. So I think the token actually is real. You know, it was a little bit of FUD because nobody really know it was real. We bought in here right here at about where was it? 20 cent. Yeah, we bought right here, probably a little bit lower. Okay, now my thing just froze. So I'll wait till it to come back real quick, guys. 1 second. We got a 10x with Lila though. It went from 20 cent to, come on, internet. All right, we back. All right. So Lila went from 20 cent to $2 and I just sold it all, right? It was just too much FUD. It was people saying that they was a scam, that the project wasn't real. I just stopped talking about it because the team wasn't doxxed. But we caught the wick candle, right? This thing almost went to like, I think it went to $2. I don't know why the wick candle show, but we got into it. And that's probably why I believe we got a 10x because we may have got into it at maybe 10, anywhere between 10 and 20 cent. And we sold really, really close to $20. After it went down and then came back up, and I took profits after I got my money back. But then it just corrected, right? Which is cool because when you see a correction like this is the project selling off tokens, partnerships, listings, everything that you need to be a successful token. At some point, you got to do that, right? You got to unload some supply and make connections, get things integrated, get listed, right? Partnerships, pay for socials, pay for CoinMarketCap, pay for CoinGecko. All that shit is cost money, okay? It's not free. So you got to expect at some point the token to unload some tokens and really double down on marketing, CEX listing and socials and things of that sort. And you need those type of things, right? Because even with J5, people run into, we do and all this. I'm like, okay, so what you want me to dump tokens? Dump the chart? You know what I mean? So, but since then, they've been doing a lot. They've been getting some partnerships. I've kept my eye on it. I do not hold this token anymore. My bag is set. It's just a narrative that if you missed Telos or maybe you missed the layer 2, I got BitRock. I got so much stuff. So, my lips are dry. Sorry, guys. Lips got dry there. But I made a 10x with this project because I got in extremely early and I didn't even keep a moon bag. I sold everything. So that's my take on LILA. Doesn't mean it's bad. Nope. But, you know, a lot of people didn't know what to expect with that. Thank me later. ZK Swap Finance is a good one. Yeah, I'm familiar with that. My people in my talk about this all the time. In my Discord, they are very, very bullish on ZK Finance. So I hear about that project all the time in the Discord. Thoughts on Turbo Meme? I love it. I love what the founder was doing. Very, very transparent guy. Reminds me of myself. Hey, Al Dennis. Hey, I got you, J5. Turn up. I'm Tales from the Crypto video on Altcoin Daily. Yeah, Altcoin Daily talked about another bullish project that's about to drop. We talked about it in the J5TG channel. So we're preparing for the first ETF crypto project. And if you watch Altcoin Daily or you follow him, you probably know what I'm talking about. So yeah, Keith, not bearish, not bullish on LILA. Got a 10x, got in and got out. Phase 1, baby. Bro, you skipped my comment. Any thoughts on WGT? I love when those comments come in when they be like, oh, you skipped my comment. That's what I'm talking about. That shows that the stream is getting active, right? That's what we want. We want those comments to get skipped where you got to comment 2 or 3 times, baby. Let's get 100 people. Let's get 100 people in here. Anita Max win. Anita Max win. They look like they doing pretty good. Salute to the win token if you held that. Solana meme coin seem to be. Oh my God. This Trump token, bro, is unstoppable. The Trump token is undefeated. Okay, yeah. The Drake tokens are pumping today. I know all about all of these, right? Diamond Dogs, Anita Max win. Is Juan and Max Juan is Max Juan posting as well? Because it probably is, right? So yeah, love to see Solana tokens. Solana tokens are pumping today, right? Is my boys Robin in the Hood pumping? I gotta go check. Might be opportunity there. What is this, bro? This is a new token. What is? Man, I know this is not. I know you ain't trying to shill a token with no liquidity, bro. Okay, I'm gonna go back and say maybe he didn't mean like this one. Maybe he meant that one. WGT. Okay, let's go to CoinGecko because maybe I'm missing something. BTC, is it back pumping? Let's refresh this. Maybe I'm missing something, bro. I hate to be that guy, but y'all gonna bring out the other side of Millie, man, with these tokens that y'all bringing on the stream. I told you don't do that. Web3 Games token. Okay, so maybe they had Dex Tools had y'all a little messed up, okay, which is cool. My bad. All right, let's see what this is. It's on Polygon game. Not bad. I think Dr. Disrespect is building a game on Polygon, so I'm bullish on this Polygon Studios. We'll give them a follow here. Badaw. Accelerate the world's transition to fully on-chain gaming, FOCG, Web3 games platform, and Web Games Network. Any cool partnerships? What are they doing? Okay, they're getting their stuff updated because, yeah, their stuff need to get back right. Why are you so bullish on this? All right, okay, bullish. They got some things going on with Near, Obstack. Okay. All right, so yeah, I don't know. Nothing really stood out to me. What are they doing? Let's tell you the words. Fully on-chain gaming. So I'm thinking that you can build games that's fully on-chain, right? Similar to ICP and Winner Protocol. I'm a big fan of Winner Protocol, right? That's gambling and gaming on-chain. So that's my little gambling on-chain project. Winner. So that's where I got my bets on. But hey, they on MEXC, so not bad. Could be some type of potential there. Not gonna say anything bad about this token. Appreciate you, Thomas. Willie, what's good? Just getting off ready. Rel, what's up, baby? Any thoughts on Aether Games? Come on, man. Who asked me about Aether? Any thoughts on Aether Games? Man, I can't wait to that. Look, if I could have figured out how to get into that in the private sale, then I would have gotten to that in the private sale. I think I was a little bit late. But yeah, I'm bullish on Aether. It's DePIN. It's gaming. I'm bullish on Aether Games, bro. I'm bullish on that. That's going to be a hit when it drops. It's going to be a hit. Aether is going to be a hit when it releases, right? I'm licking my chops and ready for the release. Yeah, everybody make sure you take profits like Chase Money says. Bro, come on here say take profits every time. But you got to take profits, right? That's part of the game. Nearing is in the game, and I think MC on market cap and CSC is bad. It's 200K market cap for now. I'm talking about WGT. Okay, so it's good to see a couple people in here bullish on WGT. I'll have to do more research on it. Open leverage pump 440%. I saw it. That's on crypto.com. What? No way I missed that. Ain't no way. They should have gave me a A notification. OV. What's the ticker on open leverage? Is it OVL? Is it OL? I haven't checked out a ton of OLAS in a while. That kind of like, God. Man, I remember when this thing was 75 cents, bro. And it's $5.58 right now. Absolutely insane. This is the Oracle. This is the Oracle play of AI, right? This is the chain link of AI, right? And I sat there and watched this thing at 75 cents. And let me tell you the mistake I made, guys. This was at the time where I didn't know what I knew now, right? And I was sitting there, and you know how you, like every YouTuber, they say, oh, it's a bad token because the max supply is infinite. It's an infinite max supply. It's a bad fucking token. I was that guy that said, oh, it's infinity. Let me fade it because the supply is infinite at 75 cents, right? Not knowing that this is the future of oracles. Guys, do your research. Infinite supply doesn't mean bad. It's not the best thing for crypto, but if you go do your research and you check the inflation on the year, kind of like ICP, and the deflationary aspect outweighs the inflationary aspect, meaning that the demand outweighs it being inflationary, but then it won't be inflationary, right? So yeah, don't be that guy to be like, oh, this crypto is bad because the max supply is infinite. Yeah, this only matters if it's in a bear market. So this only matters peak bull run. Okay, you got a token like this. As soon as you hit peak bull run, get the fuck out. Simple. That way you don't get dumped on. But if you know that it's good in the fundamentals and we're headed into peak bull run, I could have got into this at 75 cents, man. You know, it's just being uneducated. Do your research. Do your research, man. On crypto.com. Yeah, man. Nice to hear about Aether. I'm trying to get the pre-sale ticket. Juggling's true. Hey, Portal Games, bro. What happened, bro? Portal. Hold on. Second time. Why my boy was talking about you on this video? How my boy call you out second time on the video? You know how Across the Rubicon called you out on the video, bro. I was watching the video and I said, bruh, second time 32, I see you everywhere, bro. I see you on CoinMarketCap talking shit about projects. I see you in the comments of Across the Rubicon talking shit, right? He goddamn called you out. What the second time 32? Where you be on, bro? Why? Yeah, bro. Off the Grid is gonna be insane. Aether is gonna be insane. It's a couple other ones, right? When is the peak bull run? Christmas time? I talked about that a little bit earlier in the stream. If you want to go back and rewind it, we talked about the 6-month chart, and we also talked about the yearly chart. Second time 32, bro. Across the Rubicon called you out, bro. He called you out, bro. God dang, bro. When they say projects don't pump on exchanges, go show them open leverage. God dang, that was a move. And this thing was listed on crypto.com. It just went from 1 penny to 6 cents. Yo, what was the move? What happened? What happened? Crazy, right? Let me put my notifications on. Permissionless money market protocol. Oh, it's an AMM. For what though? For what? Oh, for ETH being okay. All right, what's the website? Why is this thing pumping? What happened? What's the news? Why is open leverage pumping 500% on the damn day? Right? Money market with possibilities. With permissionless lending and borrowing and margin trading, open leverage enables borrowing any asset, long or short position. Oh, this is a leverage play. Okay, so you gotta expect where was my mind at, right? When I seen the news that everybody was using leverage, now I know, right? So now I know once you see people talking about it's too much leverage in this space, look for leverage tokens because wow, this is like a 6x overnight, 6x over. That's what's up. That's what's up, man. When is peak bull run? Christmas? Nah, we talked about that. Second time, bro. He was going ham on you. Run it up, pimp. Do you think Sol can hit 1K? This year, yeah, it depends on how the ecosystem gets built up, but it's definitely a bullish project. Second time X Moon Tropica. Let's go, Moon Tropica. Hold on. I ain't even checked my portfolio. CAH is running. That's good news. You know I'm a bit okay. Come on, man. I need Moon Tropica to do some alluvium type shit. I really do. I need this thing to go to $2,000 per token. I need this thing to go to $2,000 for the token. What's the FDV? Only 78? We got a shot. We need this thing to hit $2,000 per token. That would be sent from the crypto heavens above. Come on, Moon Tropica. Do some alluvium type shit, man. Do some alluvium type shit, bro. All right, so if you I'm gonna give you a play if you miss Moon Tropica and you want something that's similar to Moon Tropica in alluvium, right? And it's down 10% on the day. All right, guys, check this one out. This is DeGen, less than 1,000 holders. This is high risk, baby. This is high risk. You can see it's traded. It's put in a nice little path, right? We got a nice little path there. Okay. All right, so we got something going on there. Let's see. Okay, we got a nice little path going on here, right? All right, maybe it goes back down here and gets ready for the next move to the upside, right? I mean, that's what you want to see. Nice little path right there. Guys, so why does this project interest me? It's a gaming project. It's called Alea. Hopefully they get some type of partnerships. It's less than 1,000 holders, $3 million market cap, but you already know what I'm looking at. The supply is only 1 million. Only a 1 million supply, baby. And this thing is sitting at $3. So if you miss Moon Tropica and you miss alluvium and you want a gaming token with a little bit of potential but high risk, right? The game is not yet done, but they're working on it. Right? So you can see it's this is the game. Giving y'all some alpha from the Patreon, right? The Patreon already should be hip on this. I done talked about it like 2 or 3 times on the Patreon. So Patreon, if y'all missed this, I'm finally bringing it to stream. All right. So do your research. And this is why you got to be in the private chat, because I don't make videos on these type of projects anymore, right? We're in the bull run. I'm trying to be a little bit more safe for new people that get into more crypto, a little bit more conservative. And plus, all the blue chips are doing the same thing, right? We're trading literally the weekly Gaussian channel. So this is a super high risk DeGen play that has the same tokenomics as alluvium and Moon Tropica. I'm going to leave it at that. I'm not shilling it anymore. If you're in the Patreon, you know. Aether Games Audio and Bybit. Oh, I'm a VPN, huh? Elon going crazy? Hold on. Is it doing it while we're on the stream? Hold on. Damn, did I buy Elon at the perfect time? I timed that perfectly. Let's see here. All right, so it hasn't crossed the Gaussian channel just yet, but it is pumping. It's at 21 now. It's going to keep pumping, y'all. Stock RSI is going to push all the way up to overbought, hopefully, right? And it should push this at least to get close above this Gaussian channel. Again, Elon always, and when I say, I hate to use always, but it always just follows Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. Dogecoin broke the Gaussian channel on the weekly. Trading 2021 tokens is the easiest trades right now. You can literally just like put $5,000 in something and just trade the weekly Gaussian channel. Simple. Look, oh my God, Shiba Inu is. Hey, yo, KG, I told you don't sell that Shiba Inu, bro. I told you guys. This is what Elon is gonna do. Look at the stock RSI is the same. Dogecoin just did it. Shiba is doing it. So if you miss Dogecoin and you miss Shiba Inu, you already know what's next in line. Let's go, Elon. Let's go. Elon is next in line, baby. I'm just putting it out there. I'm just putting it out there. If you don't know, then I don't want to tell you. How y'all feeling about XSP? I never ever heard of that, bro. I gotta be completely honest with you. XSP. X space? What is this? 120,000. What is this, bro? Is this what you're talking about? I don't even know if this is what you're talking about, so I'll kindly leave that. I'll leave that one alone. I've been on 2.5 years, but now it's time to reap rewards for holding and accumulating. That's true. That's true. Crypto Beehive. Amen. Amen to what Hughes just said. He ain't lying. He ain't lying. Dr. Sheba. All right, guys. It's 4 o'clock. I chill with y'all for a little minute. Like the stream. Let's get the stream out there. Do appreciate everybody that tapped in. Go join the community, man. Go join the J5 community, man. Go joining. What are you waiting for? Join us. Join us. Salute to everybody that's tokens is pumping, even though everybody's tokens is pumping. So, again, salute to everybody whose tokens is pumping here. What the heck is... What am I looking at? Why does it look like something is covering that? It doesn't look like it's covering there. So maybe I'm tripping. I'm sorry, Chad. I'm looking at something. All right. Yeah. So appreciate everybody that showed. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and keep your favorite crypto and Doja. I was about to say Doja Law bars. And keep your favorite crypto and door. Crypto and door, whatever. I forgot what I said. I forgot my slogan over here. I'm tripping. Something threw me off. Elon just broke 2-1. Yeah, bad's a pact on Elon. Okay, everybody's talking about Elon. MVP Millie, thanks for another banger stream. No problem, man. Appreciate you, Thomas. Yeah. We go live tonight on Grove X, man. Grove X Exchange. We got our first CX exchange. Salute to the community that's been out here doing your thing, guys. I think Miss Gill, she has not claimed her prize. So if she doesn't claim her prize, I think maybe on Sunday we give that away. And then we do something a little bit more for the community. We probably do something. I'm not going to tell y'all exactly what I got in mind, but I do got some things in mind. So salute to the stream. It's 4 o'clock. I got to catch y'all. I got to work. I got to, what's it called? Network. And I appreciate everybody that showed up to the stream. It's your boy, Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.
My image is not a facade. My demons are friends with the boss. He treats me like one of the boys. Would you cross the sticks without giving it a second? A risk taker and a heartbreaker. I'm just trying to make a way. Doomsday clock still ticking. I'm just out making plays. Good kid with a smart mouth. Built from trauma and the pain. Nigga, you a surfboard in a shark's pool. I'ma always be the wave. Been a risk taker and a heartbreaker. I'm just trying to make a way. Doomsday clock still ticking. I'm just out making plays.